Whether you're jetting off for a city break, setting sail for a tropical getaway, or heading on a business trip, the right luggage makes all the difference. But are you stuck on whether carry-on or check luggage is best for you? Don't worry, we're here to help you make the right decision. So, let's dive into the pros and cons. Carry-on luggage, also known as cabin luggage, is the perfect companion for quick getaways, weekend escapes, and efficient travellers. Carry-on luggage has many benefits. Accessibility, so you can keep your essentials close at all times. Efficiency, skip baggage claim and head straight to your destination. Control, say goodbye to any lost luggage worries. Cost effective, avoid extra baggage fees. Looking for a stylish yet fun cabin case? Our cabin suitcases are a lightweight, durable choice featuring smooth wheels and a zip divider for seamless packing. Things to remember when only travelling with carry-on luggage are: you'll have limited space, so pack smart. There are liquid restrictions. Make sure you remember the 100ml rule. Airline regulations vary. Always check size and weight limits. Check out our website, which makes it easy to shop for cabin luggage that meets specific airline requirements. We also have underseat suitcases that are sized perfectly for EasyJet specifications, and our flight bags can be used on Ryanair and EasyJet underseat. For longer trips or for when you just need a bit more space, checked luggage is the way to go. You'll get more space. Pack everything you need, from those extra outfits to travel essentials. No liquid restrictions. Bring full-size toiletries worry-free. A hands-free airport experience, so you can breeze right through security. Need a suitcase that's both spacious and stylish? Our medium and large suitcases are designed for effortless travel. Plus, most suitcases come with an integrated TSA lock. Things to consider when travelling with Hold Luggage. Always check airline requirements for size and weight allowances. Consider adding a tracker to check luggage for added peace of mind. And remember to allow time for airport baggage claim. To avoid last-minute hassles, make sure you always check your airline's baggage rules before you travel. Whether you prefer the convenience of a cabin bag or the spaciousness of Hold Luggage, Tripp has the perfect suitcase for your journey. Explore our range of durable, stylish and secure luggage, all backed by a 5-year manufacturer's guarantee. At Tripp, we make travel stress-free and stylish, because the perfect trip starts with Tripp.